How do you add images or photos to your class homepage on Schoolbox? A few options here. I'll show you the one that I probably favour the most, but there's other options you can experiment with. Add components. We go to multimedia. Remember, there's different types of components here. And we'll put image gallery onto our homepage. Press the plus, and we should see image gallery here. You can drag images into this space. So what I might do is just make this a little bit smaller for a second. And I've got a file with some photos in it here. So I can now drag photos into that space one by one. Just drag a few in here. There we go. And post images. And they'll load up. And our image gallery will be complete. You can get images from other sources, okay, from other pages if you wish. At the moment here, I've got the local. You can limit the number of images you've got there as well, and you can change the heading. So to whatever else you want. It doesn't have to be image galleries. I'll just leave that for the moment because those are still loading, so I'll just let them load before I change the name. But eventually those, in fact that one's loaded now. Just wait for the other three to load. I might just pause for a moment while they're loading. Okay, so those images have loaded now. So if I click on one of them, I'll get a full screen of that image. Now I can change, now that they've finished loading, I can change the name of this. So I can change it to say, Park Photos, whatever. And update. And instead of calling it Image Gallery, it's got Park Photos there. Now along with that, I can also put image slideshow on my homepage. So if I, once again, press the plus there, you can see image slideshow. 0 turns to 1, and here it is here. It's showing those 4 photos that I put up as a slideshow. Now I can change the timing on that. Notice how this down arrow changes, enables you to change certain settings of each component. So I can change it to say 10 seconds for each one, or 5 seconds, and update. And the photos will stay there a little bit longer. And if I want to just have that and not the photos themselves, once I've got to that stage, I can actually remove that component. Now you might think, oh, where are the photos gone? If I then go back and put that component back in, so I put image gallery back in, you'll notice that those photos are still there. Okay, they haven't disappeared. So when you remove components, whatever you had on that component is saved. But if you're using a slideshow, you might not want the gallery and the slideshow, so you can just simply remove that. Best to put the gallery in first and then create the slideshow after that. Okay, there's some images to put. That's how you put images up on Schoolbox.